Building wealth with a Roth IRA is a popular strategy due to its tax-free growth and withdrawal benefits. Here's a concise guide on how to leverage a Roth IRA for building wealth. Understand the Roth IRA basics. Contributions to a Roth IRA are made with after-tax dollars, meaning you pay taxes on the money before you deposit it into your account. The advantage is that both the investments in the IRA grow tax-free, and withdrawals made after age 59 and a half are also tax-free, provided the account has been open for at least 5 years. Choose the right provider. Select a Roth IRA provider that offers a wide range of investment options, low fees, and good customer service. Common choices include brokers like Fidelity, Vanguard, and Schwab, or robo-advisors like Betterment and Wealthfront. Make regular contributions. For 2023, the maximum contribution to a Roth IRA is $6,500 per year, or $7,500 if you're age 50 or older. Try to contribute as much as you can up to the limit. Setting up automatic contributions can help you invest consistently. Invest according to your risk tolerance. Invest in a mix of assets that reflects your risk tolerance and investment timeline. Younger investors might opt for more stocks for potential growth, while those closer to retirement may prefer a mix that includes more bonds for stability. Rebalance. Periodically, reassess and adjust your investments regularly to maintain your desired asset allocation. This helps manage risk and can improve returns over the long term. Plan withdrawals. Strategically, while you can withdraw your contributions tax-free at any time, it's best to let the earnings grow until retirement to take full advantage of the tax-free withdrawal on the earnings. Stay informed on contribution and income limits. Be aware of the income limits for contributing to a Roth IRA, as these can change. If your income is too high, consider a backdoor Roth IRA conversion if applicable. By following these steps and consistently investing, a Roth IRA can be a powerful tool in your wealth-building arsenal. It's also advisable to consult with a financial advisor to tailor these strategies to your personal financial situation.